Hello, curious minds. What if the most powerful object in our solar system is invisible, smaller than a grapefruit and hiding right now beyond Neptune? It sounds like science fiction, but some scientists like Jakub Scholtz and James Unwin in 2019 have seriously asked, could a black hole exist in our solar system? It's not as crazy as it sounds because it's definitely not impossible. We're not talking about a giant monster that swallows stars but a tiny, ancient remnant from the birth of the universe. This would be a primordial black hole, a theoretical kind formed just after the Big Bang. It could be no bigger than a grapefruit, but as heavy as several Earths, or maybe much less. Just enough to tug on the outer solar system in ways we still can't fully explain. Something like that could be drifting quietly beyond Neptune. Impossible to see with any telescope, yet subtly disturbing the orbits of distant objects. In fact, some astronomers notice strange, looping orbits in the Kuiper belt. The usual suspects? A mysterious Planet 9. But another theory? A black hole, too small to see but just massive enough to bend gravity like a ghost. And here's the twist. If it is a black hole, it could have been with us since the dawn of time. So if there is a tiny black hole lurking out there, how would we ever find it? It doesn't give off light, it doesn't reflect sunlight, and it could be smaller than a ping pong ball. Basically, it's invisible, but it's not undetectable. One way we might catch it? Gravitational lensing. A black hole warps the space around it, bending light like a magnifying glass. If it drifts in front of a background star, even just for a moment, we might see that star flicker, distort, or briefly brighten. Another clue? It's gravitational pull. If objects in the Kuiper belt or even comets are being nudged in strange ways, we can study those movements and reverse engineer the cause. Some scientists are even developing theories that link black holes to mysterious events we already observe, like unexplained flashes of energy, or sudden anomalies in spacecraft trajectories. New telescopes and survey missions like the Vera Rubin Observatory could help track subtle lensing effects in deep space, revealing something we've never seen, but always felt. So far we haven't caught one in the act, but out there in the darkness, something is pulling the strings. So what if this isn't just a theory? What if there really is a tiny black hole hiding in our solar system right now? First off, would we be in danger? The good news, a black hole of this size wouldn't just suck up everything in its path. It would only affect objects close to it, and its gravity would be weak compared to the sun's influence. So Earth, we're safe. But what would it mean for our understanding of the universe? Primordial black holes are thought to have formed right after the Big Bang during the universe's earliest moments. If we found one, it would be like discovering a cosmic fossil, offering us a glimpse into the universe's past that we've never been able to observe before. We might also learn something about the mysterious dark matter. Some scientists speculate that these tiny black holes could be part of what makes up dark matter itself. And what if this black hole is older than our solar system? Could it have been around since the dawn of time, quietly influencing the formation of planets, comets, and even life as we know it? It would challenge everything we know about how our solar system was formed, and potentially open the door to even more mysteries hidden in the dark corners of space. As fascinating as it sounds, the idea of a black hole hiding in our solar system isn't without its skeptics. Some scientists argue that the evidence simply doesn't add up. One of the main points of contention? The strange orbits of distant objects like comets. While they do seem to be influenced by something massive, not everyone agrees that it's a black hole. Some theorists suggest that dark matter or even an as-yet undiscovered planet could explain these anomalies just as well. Others point to the fact that if a black hole were really out there, we should have detected it by now, either through its gravitational effects on nearby objects, or through gravitational lensing. But despite all this, there's still no direct evidence of a black hole at the edge of our solar system. So, could this theory be just wishful thinking? On the flip side, some scientists argue that the absence of evidence doesn't necessarily disprove the theory. After all, if the black hole is as small as some believe, just a few centimeters in size, it could be too faint to detect with current technology. And there's another possibility: it could be that the black hole is simply too far away. The outer reaches of our solar system are vast and largely unexplored. If the black hole is lurking far beyond the Kuiper belt, or even out in the Oort cloud, it might be out of reach of our current instruments. So while we can't rule out the existence of a primordial black hole just yet, we also can't confirm it, and we might not be able to for years, if not decades. For now, the mystery remains. So, is a black hole quietly lurking at the edge of our solar system, or are we just chasing shadows in the dark? What do you think? Drop your theories in the comments, and if you love unraveling the universe's strangest mysteries, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more cosmic questions. Thanks for watching. Until next time, keep looking up.